Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show to use one AI tool that's name is TTS OpenAI. That one is text to speech AI tool. Here let me go and type OpenAI. This one is the website where you can go. And now let me copy some text from here. This one. And then add the text here. Now here you can see different options that you can use. You can add emotion text, story maker, document, and these are different voices, so you can select different person voices that you want. For example, let me select this one and then click create speech. Now let me create a free account. Select my Google account and allow access. And now again click here create speech. Okay, that's done. Now we can play it.
Affordable WordPress website site design services for small businesses.
Okay, that works great. Now let me try another person, this one, and then create speech.
Affordable WordPress website design services for small businesses.
So guys, here you can see how this AI tool works fast and professional.